Dogs are amazing animals. Here are 10 interesting facts about them. A dog's nose print is unique, just like a human fingerprint. They can understand up to 250 words and gestures. The Greyhound is the fastest dog, reaching speeds of 72 kilometers per hour. Dogs have dreams and can run in their sleep. The oldest dog ever lived 31 years. They can sense human emotions. Dogs sweat only through their paws. Some breeds, like the Basenji, don't bark. Their hearing is 4 times better than humans. The smartest breed is the Border Collie. Which fact surprised you the most?